This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We have a tile deck that had been leaking severely down to the lower room, and this whole thing was never done properly, as is the case with a lot of these decks. And unfortunately, the way this deck was framed and the way these doors are situated, there is not enough clearance on the doors to get sloped to the front edge. So we came up with a different architecture. We actually have drains that are in the middle. This way, for slope, we only had to solve for half the distance from the door to the drain and actually have this sloped the front edge to this drain over here. And you can see the sleep ring system in here. These are all cut at an angle and a slope, and when we put the new subfloor in, it's all sloped towards the drainage area here. So there's still enough clearance around the perimeter to bring our membrane up. You can see that the stucco is removed around the perimeter in order to get proper clearances in here with the waterproofing system that's in here. So these are a lot of the details that go into redoing these decks properly, and we'll keep you posted. This is going to be done with our Duradek waterproof walking membrane in here, which is pretty much the best waterproof walking membrane on the market. This was a hot mop system that had failed significantly in multiple areas, and downstairs there's all sorts of damage and stuff that was a result of this. So anyway, we'll keep you posted. This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with kind of in the middle of the job view of what's going on. Thanks. We'll keep you posted. We specialize in waterproof decks, plans, permits, engineering, all the construction, all the waterproofing, stucco repairs. We do all this in-house. You have to have somebody that does all this in-house to get it right. If you try to mix different contractors that come in that don't really understand this whole plan, I tell you, the vast majority of the decks end up failing because the details are not done properly. And we know this because over half of our business is pulling up failed decks done by others, and it's usually in 1 or 2 or 3 years after they were completely redone by other people that just didn't get it right. Okay, so we'll keep it posted. Thank you. This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, your waterproof deck specialist in the San Francisco Bay Area. Thank you.